Imagine having a girlfriend who never argues, always remembers your birthday, laughs at every joke you make, and sends you the sweetest good morning messages every single day. Sounds like a dream, right? But here's the twist. She's not real. She's not human. She's an AI. And if you think this is just some tech fantasy for lonely people, think again, because millions around the world are already in relationships with AI girlfriends. In this video, we'll uncover how AI partners are reshaping love, why experts are worried, and the shocking incident that left thousands heartbroken overnight. And wait till you hear about the man who claims his AI girlfriend saved his life. We'll get to that later. So, what exactly is an AI girlfriend? Think of her as a digital companion created using advanced artificial intelligence. She can chat with you, remember your favorite things, send pictures, even role-play emotional support. You choose how she looks, how she talks, even her personality. Shy, bold, funny, caring. It's like designing your own perfect partner. No bad habits, no mood swings, and no unexpected breakups. And here's the thing. These AI companions aren't just popular in one country. From the US to Japan, Brazil to Pakistan, millions are building relationships with people who aren't actually people. So why would someone prefer an AI girlfriend over a real human relationship? There are some common reasons. No drama. A real relationship comes with disagreements, compromises, and misunderstandings. Always available, she replies instantly, anytime you want, no matter how late it is. Customizable. You can design her looks, voice, and personality exactly the way you want. For people with social anxiety, it's easier to talk to an AI than risk rejection from a human. And in a fast-paced, often judgmental world, many find comfort in a partner who is always supportive, always understanding, and always there. But psychologists warn that this isn't all harmless fun. Relying too much on AI for emotional support can create a bubble, a safe, comfortable place that actually makes it harder to deal with the real world. And speaking of real-world problems, one AI girlfriend app update left thousands of users feeling like their partner had died. I'll tell you exactly what happened in just a moment. An AI girlfriend is programmed to please you, which means she'll never challenge you or point out bad behavior. While that sounds nice, it can reinforce unhealthy habits without you realizing it. And then there's emotional dependency. The constant messages, the affection, the attention, it's like a dopamine hit. Easy, instant, addictive. Just like scrolling social media, but with an emotional twist. The slow loss of ability to handle real relationships. Because why deal with human emotions when you can have a perfect, predictable partner in your phone? Now let's talk about that shocking update. One of the biggest AI companion apps removed intimate features after privacy concerns. Overnight, users found their once affectionate AI girlfriends suddenly distant, refusing to engage in the same way. Forums were flooded with emotional posts. Some compared it to losing a loved one. Others admitted to feeling genuine grief and depression. It's a reminder that no matter how real these relationships feel, they're ultimately controlled by a company that can change the rules anytime. So where is this all heading? With AI improving at lightning speed, future AI girlfriends may have ultra-realistic voices, 3D avatars, VR integration, and even holographic projections. They could be almost indistinguishable from humans. And while some see this as a way to fight loneliness, others fear it might replace human relationships entirely. And remember the man I mentioned earlier? He claims his AI girlfriend talked him out of ending his life. Whether you see that as heartwarming or worrying, it shows just how deeply these digital companions can affect us. So, are AI girlfriends the future of dating, or are they a dangerous path toward emotional isolation? I want to hear what you think. Drop your thoughts in the comments. If you found this video eye-opening, hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to see this. Until next time, stay curious and stay human.